Grabe guys, parang ang bagyo-bagyo na talaga. Look at it. Oh my gosh. I was thinking I'm gonna have coffee here, but then it's cold, it's windy. Can't be done, so pasok tayo uli. So, kape-kape muna tayo guys. Ang hangin sa labas. I think parang may typhoon ata. But anyway, relax na muna ako because after nito magpapack na kami ng aming mga gamit. It's because we're gonna fly back to Denmark later tonight and I want everything to be ready. And ito talaga yung parang na-stress ako lagi guys pag, alam niyo na, yung pagpapack tapos limited lang kasi yung ano namin ba? Yung weight na dapat ewan ko ba, tapos wala pa kaming weighing scale. So, let's see. So, yeah. Balik na kami Denmark. Back to the real world. Back working. But at least, we're gonna arrive there very early ng Friday. It's around 3 in the morning. Nasa Denmark na kami. So, that means I have the whole Friday and Saturday na off pa rin, so we will be able to do the things that needs to be done, you know, washing all these clothes that we've been using here, clean up the house, and then on Sunday, yon. Tapos on Monday, real work na talaga. So, yeah, somehow na-miss ko din mag-work and I am excited to go back to work again. Sometimes talaga we just needed a break para, you know, may bagong energy, ganyan. So, I'm happy. I'm so happy that we went here and it's just a week of vacation pero it feels like matagal siya. Kasi nga, wala talaga kami ginawa guys. Parang relaxation lang talaga. Swimming, kain, lakad doon, lakad dito, ganyan. Actually, dapat check out na kami ng around 1 ata yun. Hindi ko malala. But anyway, let's just say 1 in the afternoon check out na sana kami dito. Pero in-extend lang namin until 9 ng gabi. And we've paid 75 euro sa room na ito with the pool pa rin. Buti naman. Kasi yung nabili na parang 1 week na travel, na yun guys? Parang sa agency ba? Parang automatic, ganyan. So, naisip namin pag mag-check out kami ng 1 p.m. Pero yung flight namin is sa 12 midnight pa. Saan kami? And then yung mga bagahe, ganyan. So, we tried to make an agreement with them that if we could stay longer until 9 in the evening, hindi naman sila ganun ka-busy na now. So, they've allowed it. So, we just have to pay like 75 euro additional. And okay din yung para relax kami at hindi kami yung parang, alam mo na, stress kung saan pupunta, ganyan, saan magtatambay. So, I'm just drinking my coffee and right after that is magpapak. So, let's go find some food. Last dinner namin dito sa Greece. Uwi na kami soon. Yun, pauwi na kami guys. So the next vlog is nasa Denmark na siguro kami.
Can you miss what you never have known? And can you ache for a place that was never your home? No misgivings or shame, like a moth to the flame, to burn up or fizzle alone. Can you know who inhabit?
Grabe guys, oy. Sobrang hangin.
Here's one for dreamers who took that step. Here's one for every time they jumped without a net. Here's one for misfits who broke the rules, who feared the boredom more than scorn or ridicule. You're scared to fly in the endless sky, when the voices say that there's no way you'll ever make the grade. Let's say you try.